Rainik is also with us on the broadcast. Rainik, this was of course what the people were hoping for. We of course saw people with the national flag there saying that he should be proven guilty, and of course now it has happened. What is the sentiment on the ground? रैनिक, अगर आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है, ब्रेकिंग न्यूज आ चुकी है, संजय रॉय गिल्टी प्रूवन हो गए हैं, क्या सेंटिमेंट है अभी वहां पे? Okay, all right. We are sorting out that connection, but in the meantime, Sambhav is also with us on the broadcast. Sambhav, give us an update as far as the verdict is concerned.
That Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita BNS section 64, 66 and 103 clause 1 have been framed against the accused Sanjay Roy, and there is a complaint against the accused that he went to the RG Kar Medical College. This is what the court has said in the order. There is a complaint against the accused that he went to the RG Kar Medical College and the hospital and went to the seminar hall and assaulted, murdered the lady doctor taking rest. And the Sialdah court has, finally delivered its judgment, its big verdict, wherein he has been proven guilty. Sanjay Roy has been proven guilty by the Sialdah court. It's a big update, big development, and the first verdict of its kind in this RG Kar rape and murder case. I'll again repeat the sections of the BNS wherein the Central Bureau of Investigation filed the charge sheet, and as per the court, it says that BNS section 64, 66 and 103 clause 1 have been framed against the accused. There is a complaint against the accused that he went to the RG Kar hospital, and also the trial went for over 50 days, and court reserved this verdict on January 8th, and on January 18th.
Absolutely. Sambhav, stay on with us. In fact, joining us at this point of time is Dr. Aseem Maity. He is from the RG Kar Hospital. So thank you so much for taking our time and speaking to us on NewsX. Now, again, a big development has taken place. The big verdict has been delivered by the Sialdah court. We've spoken to you on NewsX multiple times with regards to the case. As a doctor, how do you, of course, see this big news that's coming in?
Thank you, ma'am, and I am extremely asking apology to the audience that I am telling the right things, but because from the beginning I am with the RG Kar Medical College, because I am ex-RG Kar. Though actually the main culprit is not Sanjay Roy. Actually, investigation has been totally manufactured and everything. The post-mortem right from the beginning, there is lot of controversy and there is lot of questions from the parents' sides. They are not satisfied, and also the opinion of the mother also not being taken. Who was supposed to be the main informer. And the investigations, and there is why there is not there is hecticness in the
absolutely, sir, absolutely. Let me just get back to you. My colleague Rainik is back with us on the broadcast. Rainik, okay, all right, we'll just get that sorted. Sir, if you could please continue.
This is absolutely absurd.
All right, Sambhav is also with us on the broadcast. Sambhav, we're learning at this point of time that the accused Sanjay has said to the judge, and I quote, "I have been falsely implicated. I have not done this. Those who have done are being let go." This is the statement that he has given after the verdict has been delivered. Sanjay, over to you. I beg your pardon. Sambhav, over to you.
Yes, the central
has been manufactured also.
Right, so what's the latest that we're tracking?
Yeah.
Well, the Central Bureau of Investigation named Sanjay Roy as the sole accused in this RG Kar case, and in the end, he was a civic volunteer, and he is convicted under Section 64 of BNS, that is rape. Section 66, that is death after rape, and 103 clause 1, that is murder, of the Indian Penal Code. The verdict, the big verdict is out, and Sanjay Roy has been convicted and has been proven guilty by the court in this matter. And three very important sections of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, BNS, the new section, the new laws, as per the new laws, section 64, that is rape, 66 death.
वो भी प्रूव करता है जो डीएनए का सैंपल का है, मल्टीपल पर्सन्स का सैंपल मिला है, इसका भी आंसर किया है। तो मल्टीपल पर्सन कहां से आया? सीसीटीवी फुटेज में सीबीआई ने बोला 68 पीपल को सेमिनार रूम में उस समय 4 घंटा में जानने के लिए वो देखा, पर वो सिर्फ संजय राय को एक आइडेंटिफाई कर पाया, बाकी लोग को आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाया। ये किसी को पास बिलीवेबल है? इट अनबिलीवेबल। तो हम लोग हर समय रेडी था सीबीआई को हेल्प करने के लिए, पर वो इसके बारे में किसी को नहीं पूछा जी ये आदमी कौन है, बाकी 67 पीपल। तो ये क्या बोलता है सीबीआई? वो फ्रेश इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं किया, वो जो कोलकाता पुलिस बोल दिया उसके साथ उसके ऊपर ही वो जो एविडेंस दिया उसके ऊपर ही जजमेंट हो रहा है कोर्ट में। तो
आज जो फैसला आया है उसमें आप लोग खुश है कि नहीं है?
नहीं, ऐसे खुश होने का बात नहीं, दुख होने का भी बात नहीं। एक जो है जो अगर संजय राय दोषी है उसको तो पनिशमेंट होना चाहिए, पर हम लोग का जो आंसर है वो नहीं मिला, तो हम लोग का जो डिसअपॉइंटेड है और हम लोग का जो आंदोलन है वो चलेगा।
एकदम ही जूनियर डॉक्टर्स की तरफ से कहा जा रहा है कि आज जो फैसला आया है उसके बाद भी वो लोग डिसअपॉइंटेड है सीबीआई का इन्वेस्टिगेशन को लेकर, और उनका जो प्रोटेस्ट, जो आंदोलन वो जारी रहेगा जूनियर डॉक्टर्स की तरफ से, ये कहा जा रहा है। दूसरी तरफ जो आम लोग वो भी इधर मौजूद है, बहुत सारे आम लोग भी इधर दूर दूर से आए हैं। आज फैसला में क्या आएगा वो देखने के लिए सब लोग इधर जमा हुए थे और दूर दूर से लोग इधर आए हैं। और मैं एक बार बात करने का कोशिश करूंगा। मैडम, कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?